In just 7 days from now, you could be operating with laser-like concentration that puts you in the top 1% of performers. But I need to be absolutely transparent. This isn't easy. This 7-day system requires commitment. You will face resistance. Your brain will fight you. And that's precisely why most people will never experience the transformative power of God-tier focus. First thing first, your brain's cooked and you don't even realize it. You wake up and what's the first thing you touch? Your phone. Not water, not your journal, not your goals. You're not distracted. You're digitally brain damaged. And no, I am not even being dramatic. You can't even sit in silence anymore without itching to unlock your phone. Your screen time report looks like you're running 3 businesses, but all you're doing is fucking doom scrolling, watching gym edits and rewatching reels of the same damn motivational sound over and over again. I'm not gonna say that you're a lazy or weak-minded individual, because I know it's not entirely your fault that your focus is shit. You're just overstimulated. And until you detox, you'll keep doing that fake I'm gonna change routine every Sunday night, only to relapse by Monday morning. So let me tell you about something that will actually save your brain, the digital detox protocol. You give me just 7 days and I'll show you what a functional brain feels like again. Not this scrambled, foggy, attention-starved trash you've been operating with. So what you need to do is from day 1 to day 2, you have to put a digital lockdown. You need to bring the pain. Let's get this out of the way first. The first 48 hours, they're gonna suck. And when I say it's gonna suck, you better believe me, as I am serious right now. You're gonna feel like a weird-ass junkie who is in withdrawal. You'll keep reaching for your phone out of habit. You'll hear phantom vibrations that don't even exist. You'll feel bored, uncomfortable, and twitchy as fuck. Well, I know this because I'm not gonna lie, but for the past 2 weeks, I was testing a test on myself. I started watching random shit for 6 to 8 hours a day for around 10 days straight just to see what kind of challenges I'm gonna feel once I try to stop this shit suddenly. But oh boy, it was hard. I was literally twitching to open my mobile and PC on day 1. As many of you know, I am working on a book which is primarily focused on productivity. During these 10 days, I didn't work on a single page, but when I tried to suddenly stop these bad habits, I couldn't focus at all. My mind was feeling blank. So I know you will feel it too. And if you do, then it's actually good. Your brain is throwing a tantrum because you're cutting off its supply. That pain you're feeling, that's dopamine dependency being ripped away. It's the sound of the chains breaking. This is where most people punk out. You know what? They feel that itch and they run back to their little comfort bubble. But if you can sit through that discomfort without caving, you win. Put your phone in another room. Block your laptop from social media. Turn off all notifications. Tell your friends you're ghosting for 2 days. Let people think you disappeared or some shit like that. No screen time, no reels, no mindless scrolling. For 12 hours minimum. Each day, you're doing a hard reset on your dopamine system. Not because it's trendy, because you're tired of being a fucking NPC in your own life. From day 3 to 5, you gotta reconfigure the battlefield. Alright, you made it through the pain cave. Respect for that, but now it's time to build new rules for your tech. Do not delete everything like some monk, because that's highly inconvenient, as your phone and your laptop have the ability to make you rich if used correctly. We're not doing that cringe productivity LARP, okay? But we are going to make your phone your servant, not your master. Start with this. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Delete every app you haven't used in the last 10 days. Move all entertainment apps into one folder and keep it far away from your home screen. Ask your mom or dad to put a password on all the distracting apps. Set up screen time limits and actually stick to them. Most importantly, use grayscale mode during work hours. Using grayscale mode reduces visual stimulation, making screens less engaging and discouraging mindless scrolling. This helps maintain focus by minimizing distractions and keeping your attention on work-related tasks. The point here isn't to cut yourself off forever. The point is to stop being a digital slave. When you configure it right, you'll realize your phone is just a tool, not a dopamine casino. Day 6 to 7. Re-enter the matrix, like a main character. Now comes the fun part. Now that you've reclaimed some level of mental real estate, you can now start bringing back your digital life, but on your terms. Because after 1 week, you will build a momentum, and unless you break that momentum, you will be able to control your actions. Use focus modes. Use blockers like cold turkey or freedom. Set 2 30-minute slots for social media max. That's it. If you want to scroll, then set a timer. Be intentional, then bounce. You don't need to live like a monk, but you do need to live like someone who's in control. Also, start doing clarity rituals. Every morning and night, journal for at least 5 minutes. Write down, what did I do right today? Where did I relapse? What's my focus tomorrow? You have to train your self-awareness like it's a muscle, because the truth is, 95% of people don't have attention problems. They have no clue what the hell they're even focusing on. By day 7, you'll feel it. You'll realize how numb you've been this whole time, how many moments you've missed, how much noise you've normalized. Also, Also, I had created a 4-week level-based task lists, and more than 5,000 people have downloaded it. So after these 7, once you get a taste of it, directly hop onto the weekly task lists. You can download it for free from the description link. And after 5 weeks, you'll never go back to being a digital crackhead again. If you are an old subscriber of mine who downloaded all those PDFs and followed them with full commitment, then please go to the comment section and write your own experience so that other people can take inspiration from you. If you're new to this channel and a serious individual, then you can also join my Discord server. There you will find many guys who are constantly updating their daily progress. So that's it for today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.